I am Michele Bolognese, a researcher of Fondazione Bruno Kessler, that is a research institute that is based in northeast of Italy and is directed by Luigi Crema. So 2 years ago I presented to you the behavior of reversible solid oxide cells in SOE mode and SOFC mode by using Modelon Impact in dynamic modeling simulation. These were activities that belong to the SWITCH project, that is an European project that in these days won the International Energy Agency prize, a worldwide prize. And so we are very happy about this. And now we are continuing work with solid oxide cell by implementing the renewable energy sources in Prometeo project in order to produce green hydrogen by using also thermal energy from the sun. Other projects in which we are involved now are related to the hydrogen storage by using metal hydride technologies, and also something related to the gasification processes in order to produce hydrogen from biomass or waste. To do this, we need to implement reduced order modeling in our dynamic modeling activities because these phenomena are too much complex to be solved directly in a Modelica environment. Modelon, and in general dynamic simulation, can help the stakeholder to make the optimal decision and also to understand what can be the effect in future scenarios in terms of sustainability, efficiency and economical aspect. With the Modelon Impact Cloud, we can work simultaneously by using a workspace that is in common in a SharePoint. We can update directly the results, also being in a smart working or not in the same office. We can also use Modelon Impact directly by using also Jupyter Lab of Python. So there are different aspects that are changing and change also the way in which dynamic simulation is performed, also going in the concept of Industry 5.0, also by implementing the concept of machine learning, AI, reduced order modeling, exchange of FMI and FMO. It's essential to communicate in real time with test bench and make a real-time validation by importing the real-time data.